Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Autolayer token. Ticker symbol is layer, except the E is a 3. Now this token is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. You can find it on BSC Scan. Very big project. It was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So Autolayer is the largest restaking marketplace with advanced risk-reward analytics, points management, and structured products, hosting a full suite of LRTs, LSTs, and other one-click products that users can deposit into. Autolayer offers more than 20 different assets, including Bitcoin and Ethereum restaking. Trades on Autolayer are rewarded with points from both Autolayer and the protocol, which can lead to even bigger rewards in the form of airdrops and other incentives. Now, this token here, it was just announced, is going to be listed October 3rd, 8 a.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search a layer, except the E is a 3, and then simply just buy the token. Now, the full name of the token is Autolayer, all one word, and you can find the token on BSC Scan, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 30 million tokens. Now, Autolayer, largest restaking marketplace, integrating with EigenLayer, Symbiotic, Renzo protocol, and more. So you may have heard of those before. It offers over 20 different assets, including Bitcoin and ETH restaking with advanced risk-reward analytics, points management, structured products. They enable users to leverage multiple LRT, LST options with just one click, while maximizing and compounding their yields. The development team is actively working on Autolayer V2, the forthcoming version of our protocol. This iteration is targeted towards achieving greater integration with the EigenLayer ecosystem. The enhancements and new features are under development, and they include virtual operators for EigenLayer. So this feature aims to streamline operations and facilitate smoother integration with the EigenLayer ecosystem. Slashing bounties, so a mechanism designed to incentivize adherence to the protocol's rules, thereby enhancing overall security. Auto compounding and token liquidification, so strategies to maximize yields through efficient management of the liquidity and compounding. Management of liquid and illiquid assets, so improved handling of assets to enhance liquidity and operational flexibility. AVS scoring implementation, a scoring system based on the level of institutional and retail involvement aimed at a better risk management and providing insights into the dynamics of AVS. And these developments are part of our commitment to enhancing the functionality and integration of the Autolayer protocol within the broader EigenLayer ecosystem. So the features here, they have the one-click liquid restaking and liquid staking. So restake from any token seamlessly into a single transaction. Autolayer facilitates native restaking across various providers. This will allow users to earn ETH staking rewards, EigenLayer points, LRT points, restaking rewards, and Autolayer points with just one simple click, starting with any asset. For every asset, users will be allowed to mint or trade the asset. We will route the liquidity to the correct provider on each case. Even on minting Autolayer, we'll do the swaps to obtain the ETH to initiate the restaking process. On Autolayer, you can explore a diverse selection of various LRTs and LSTs, each with their associated incentives. Once you select an asset, you can access a detailed breakdown of those incentives, the AVSs it validates, and its APR over time. With just a few clicks, you can seamlessly swap that token for more than 100 different assets while preserving all current and future incentives. At any moment, users have the flexibility to swap the LRTs, LSTs, and any other ERC20 token. As soon as more AVSs are alive on EigenLayer, the restaked products will evolve into different financial products and more competitors will come. With Autolayer, users will be able to update the products with just one click at a marginal cost. So they also have here the analytics engine. So it says, inherited from the Turtle Ninja, Autolayer boasts a robust analytics engine, enabling it to calculate all incentives and key performance indicators generated by a user. All tokens reside in the user's wallet, making Autolayer permissionless and non-custodial. Our engine extracts information from the user's wallet, RPCs, and the blockchain itself, ensuring the most accurate data retrieval. So they have here, it says, for any restake token on engine displays at least one of the following information: the quantity of the token the user holds, your profit and loss, staking rewards, restaking annual percentage rate, your EigenLayer points, LRT points, and Autolayer rewards. They have the risk framework, restaking strategies, AVS scoring, so professional operators TVL and community TVL. And then we also have the token, so the liquidity proxy token. And they have basically, so it's a native ERC20 token. It says lock up 84.92% of the initial lock over 5 years. There's a schedule for that. And initial circulating supply is going to be a little bit over 2.3 million tokens. And yeah, so it's split up between community, ecosystem, seed round, public round, liquidity provision, treasury, strategic advisors, and the team. And is getting this really big Mexc global listing coming up October, I believe, 3rd. October 3rd, 8 a.m. UTC time. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.